PES College of Engineering welcomes you all for this video lecture. Today we are going to study the subject heat transfer. Now let us see the learning outcomes of this particular lecture. After completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand different modes of heat transfer, identify different modes of heat transfer. Reflection spot. A question: what is heat transfer, and write different application areas of heat transfer. Just pause the video and try to answer this particular question. Okay, I hope you have do it. Now, heat transfer and its application. It is a branch of science which deals with the study of different ways or modes and estimation of the rate of rate of such energy in transit. A basic condition for heat transfer is temperature gradient. Applications of heat transfer are as follows: automobile, aeronautics, fluid mechanics, chemical industries, computer engineering, process industries, power plants, electronics, and day-to-day life we are using the heat transfer. Now let us see the modes of heat transfer. Now there are three modes of heat transfer by which heat can be transferred. Now let us see one by one. So first is conduction, second is convection, third is radiation. Now let us see conduction. Now conduction, it is the mode of heat transfer in which heat is transferred from one part to another part of same substance, or from one body to another body in physical contact with each other without appreciable movement of molecules. This is known as conduction. Now in conduction, medium is required. Conduction can takes place in solid, liquid and gaseous. Without medium, conduction is not possible. It is microscopic phenomenon. Now let us see the convection. Convection, it is the mode of heat transfer in which heat is transferred from one body to another body in physical contact or apart from each other. Heat is transfer in convection. Heat transfer takes place from hot surface to surrounding fluid with actual movement of molecules. So here actual movement of the molecule takes place. In this, medium is required. It may be gaseous or it may be solid or it may be gaseous. It is macroscopic phenomenon. That means we can see by our naked eyes. The phenomenon can be seen by naked eyes. Radiation, it is the mode of heat transfer in which heat is transferred from one body to another body by means other than conduction and convection. That means here radiation takes place due to the electromagnetic waves. That means electromagnetic waves are the carriers of heat transfer. Here medium does not require. In space also radiation is possible. It is microscopic phenomenon. Now let us see mechanisms of modes of heat transfer. Now first let us see conduction. So here the conduction mainly takes place due to two mechanisms. First is lattice vibration and second is free electrons. Now what is meant by lattice vibration? Lattice vibration is nothing but vibration of electrons about its axis. Whenever temperature increases, the vibration of the electron get increased. And free electrons, that means the transfer of free electrons from one point to another point. These are the two carriers of the heat transfer in conduction. Heat is transferred in substance due to conduction due to these two mechanisms. Now convection. The mechanism of the convection is density difference. Whenever the temperature of the molecule increases, we know that the density will decrease. And once the density will decrease, that molecule try to move in the upward direction, and whatever molecules are available at the top, which are at high density, that will move in the downward direction. And in this way, the heat transfer takes place due to convection. In radiation, heat is transferred due to the electromagnetic waves. Now what happens here? The first generation of the waves takes place. That generated waves get transmitted through the space or medium, and that transferred electromagnetic waves are incident on the another molecule or another body, and in this way heat is transferred from one body to another body. Now let us see the examples of modes of heat transfer. Now first, conduction. Now if heat transfer in metal rod from one end to another end, whenever we heat one rod at one end, the heat is transferred from that particular end to the another end. This is due to the conduction. Heat transfer in walls of vessel when it is heated from the bottom. This is also example of conduction. Now let us see the example of convection. Heat transfer from hot surface plate to air which is kept in atmosphere. Whenever hot surface is kept in the atmosphere, what happens? After some time it gets cools. That is due to the convection. Boiling of water. This is example of convection. Heat transfer from horizontal tubes surface to water flowing through it in boilers. This is also example of convection. Radiation. Heat transfer in chilies from sunlights. Now whenever we kept the chilies for the drying in atmosphere, that chilies get dried due to the radiation. Clothes kept for drying in sunlights. One can feel warmth of sun in sunlight, that is due to the radiation. Now here is one reflection spot for you. Identify the modes of heat transfer in following figure. Pause the video and try to answer it. Now I hope you have answered. So let us see the answer. So identification of modes of heat transfer, that whatever rod is kept in the fire and whatever heat is generated at the one end, that is get transferred, and it heat is filled at the one end, that is called as conduction. This is due to the conduction. Convection. Heat is transferred due to the air and it feels, the hand feels the warmth of that particular fire, that is due to the convection. And far away heat is transferred without any medium, that is due to the radiation. I hope you understand all the things. Thank you. Thank you very much.